Number one, it was specifically designed for electric vehicles. We came to the market with this product trying to be the one and only solution that's going to be best for you. A couple of the reasons being, one, it's 75% recycled material, it's 50% lighter than our StabiliGrip floor, so you're going to maximize that range in an electric vehicle. It's no drill, so you're not going to perforate that floor and potentially have any damage to the battery systems. It maintains the same anti-slip material that our StabiliGrip has, so your end user and your customers are going to have a safe workspace to go through. And at the end of the day, you're still providing your customers a composite rigid floor rather than plywood.